Driver, two screws from the bottom of the phone. If the bottom third of the phone isn't too damaged, take a suction cup and attach it to that bottom third. Then take half a door cover blade and then we're going to insert it between the bottom of the screen and the chassis of the phone, right at the bottom there. It will help if you add a few drops of isopropyl alcohol to the edgeway of that blade. And now all that we're going to do is pull back the door cover blade and lift up. We're going to see that screen right now on the screen, now on the chassis. You're not going to want to put too much on the that one popped a little bit violently. Normal hit comes out a little bit easier than that. But now that we're plugging it up the gap there, you can take one of these iFixit guitar picks and run that end off the pick along the edge of the phone. I'm not inserting it far, just a few millimeters in. Once you get to the point, top side, left side, right side, lift it out, give it a wiggle from side to side, and then it should pop out just like that. If it doesn't pop out too easy, then just insert the pick and just pop it out that way. This screen opens up just like a funky little, and I've left the suction cup on the screen just to act as a prop whilst I'm inside the phone. Now that we're the phone, try the screwdriver and remove this screw here. Use tweezers to lift up the shield. Snug screw and then the shield in the same place together so it's where the back. Then you can remove the contact button to disconnect the screen cable. We'll put the top now. Sorry. Bits and dirt and stuff, what sticks to this part here. There's still a bit of adhesive there. Some of it's awkward, some of it's easy. It's going to get rid of any of the really needs gone. Just be careful around this area. In fact, don't even touch this part with the brush because you don't want to damage any of the inside components. I'm going to put this to one side now, just give it a little dust off as well. Clean. I'll put this to one side and prepare the new screen. To prepare the new screen, we need to remove this guy. To do that, it's very simple. You need a crossing screwdriver. You can use a heat gun, a hairdryer, whatever. Get really nice. I'm using a heat gun, that's 200 degrees C. is awkward. It's easy to break that flex cable. The good news is about this flex cable, I didn't say this before, but in iOS 18.1, that cable is actually replaceable.